Hi there, if you're new to this channel, my name is Patricia Williamson, aka P-Dub Stuff and Curlypdub. Curlypdub is the hair. P-Dub Stuff is Patricia Williamson. Honestly, a friend of mine started calling me P-Dub because of my initials. Anyway, I went with that P-Dub Stuff, because I like to do stuff. Anyway, a couple of weeks ago, I made myself a distressed vintage entryway console table, and I have a video posted already. I did not like it, so I decided I'm gonna make another one. I didn't bother film myself doing this one. I'll just show you some of the steps, photographs of some of the steps I went through to make this thing. I almost came to the point to just chuck it and just buy one. But then I said that doesn't make any sense because they cost too much. And if I'm going to spend that kind of money for something, it's going to be new. But I mean, I like the Atelier, which is downtown LA. It's vintage. They have some beautiful stuff in there, let me tell you. Prices, Anyway, I decided to make another table. So I'm going to post some pictures here so you can see the steps that I made. Hope you enjoy. Please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, turn your notification bell so you'll know when I upload more videos. I just got out the shower, y'all, because I was out in the garage cleaning up all that mess that I made out there from sanding and stuff. And I already washed my hair the other day, but I'm going to have to wash it again tonight. Actually, I covered it up when I was out there, so it's not really anything in it this time. It's clean. However, anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you on my next one. Take care. Bye-bye. Excuse the noise in the background. I have the fans going, the air conditioner going. But these are some of the tables that I was looking at, and you look at the prices. They even go higher than that. Now this is the inspiration of the one that I decided I was going to try to make. Here it is in the garage. And then I brought it into the living room and looked at it for a while. I probably, if I had stained it, maybe I'd like it. The cuts were too much of an angle. So I decided I'd take it out. Then I decided to make this one because I had extra wood left over. Here it is. Again, but I need to put some wood on the side. I took it outside, patched up all the holes, and then I stained it, put a wood finish on it, then I stained it and brought it in the house. Now, I didn't like it, so I whitewashed it, and this is where I'm at right now. So, I tried to match my ladder, my DIY blanket ladder, when I did this by using these particular pieces of wood. But this is it for now. I'm just going to leave it alone.